Student, we discuss here thermodynamics equation QP is equal to QE plus delta NGRT, where QP here heat enthalpy at constant pressure, QE heat enthalpy at constant volume, delta Ng is the difference between number of moles of gaseous product minus reactant, R gas constant, T is temperature in Kelvin. So here QP can be greater than QE when delta Ng positive. These are the tips by me, you remember this always. Okay, in which of the following reaction QP is equal to QE? Delta Ng decide whether QP is equal to QE or greater than QP is greater than QE or QP lesser than QE. How? Delta Ng, I told you, sum of moles of gaseous product minus moles of gaseous reactant. If moles of product are more, then different case. If reactants are more, then different case. But wait, when both of them are equal, number of moles of product equal to number of moles of reactant, at that moment delta Ng becomes 0. So QP is equal to QE. Only in that case QP is equal to QE. So see here, and they are given these four reactions, and they are asking in which reaction QP is equal to QE. So see here, one thing I told you in many of my videos, then I am writing all these combustion reaction. Always combustion reaction, reactants are always more than the product. What does it mean? In these cases delta Ng will be always negative. Negative means if this value will be negative, so QV minus this RT will be equal to QP. What does it mean? It means QV at that moment more. Okay, QV more, because when this minus sign, see, QP is equal to QV, I am writing here, minus Ng RT when reactants more. Okay, when reactant more, so QE will be equal to this whole thing will coming over here. So at that moment here I am writing QP plus NGRT, whatever amount was there, is equal to, here it is QE will be higher. Okay, when it will be higher, QE when higher, when reactants are more. Okay, delta Ng is negative. Here in these combustion cases, delta Ng is negative, reactants more than products. So here we will think about that this is more, and only in this case 1 mole, 1 mole, 2 mole, here also 2 mole. So in this case QP is equal to QV. Okay, see, negative value, Q at that moment, QP less, QV higher, QV higher, QP less, QV higher.